Guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, as a lot of you all know, I have been taking it easy, taking a little break, but I do want to remind everybody that I'm still uploading videos here and there. I uploaded a video last Friday going over the top 10 mistakes that people make when doing their $5 off $25 scenarios. So, if you guys have not watched that video already, please go and check it out. And if you've watched it already, you might want to go back and run it through a second time. Help your girl out. Go and give that video a view, a thumbs up, and a comment, please. And of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned, because your girl's going to be back into full crazy couponing mode very, very soon. I do have a video coming out where I'm going to be sharing a lot of news with you all. Good news, bad news, sad news. We've got all kinds of news to talk about, so make sure that y'all stay tuned for that one. And now, let's go ahead and jump right into our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. Please keep in mind that these prices will not change until Tuesday, September the 19th. First up, we have our fireworks going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, September the 19th. Please keep in mind that not all stores receive the fireworks, so be aware of that. I do not have pictures, but I do have the full list of fireworks that are included, and these are a lot of the TNT little poppets, sparklers, things like that. So there's your list with all of the UPC codes. All right, next up, we have the freezer bars going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday. And in this category, we have the Weiler's Italian Ices, and OMG, y'all, these are so good. We have the 8-count original and the berry and cherry ones. And I don't know about you guys, but in my area, these always sell out well before the clearance markdowns. But you guys let me know, or have you been finding any of these on clearance? Next up, we have the big bags of the Fun Pops, so be on the lookout for those. There's the display box as well as the little mesh bags that those come in. We also have the 80-count Pop Ice freezer bars. We have the original and the tropical, big blue and big yellow boxes. You can't miss them. And now let's go ahead and jump into our penny list for this week. And as always, we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. All you have to do is go into your local Dollar General store, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video. If you find them, scan them with your Dollar General app, and if the price shows up at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Now, always double check and make sure that you have your correct store location set, and keep in mind, as with all clearance and penny lists, your miles may vary. Alright guys, so first up on the penny list, we have the hand sanitizer sprays going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, September the 19th. Keep in mind, we do have several colors. We have blue, green, red, and black. So look high, look low, look everywhere you go. These are small little keychain hand sanitizers, and I do want to give a huge shout out and thank you to Elise and Brittany, some amazing crazy couponers who sent us in these pictures. So thank you guys again so much. That is so helpful. All right, next up, we have the gray diamond socks going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, September the 19th. And I know that a lot of people have been picking these up at 90% off. I believe they even went down to 95% off during one of our clearance events. So again, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. Make sure that you look in the regular sock section at your store, and be on the lookout for the gray tags. Some of them have the little hang tags on them, some of them have little wraparound tags, and some of them have the cardboard backing like this one right here. So be on the lookout for those. And up next, going right along with our gray diamond, we have our green star socks going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday. Now these are in very similar packaging, so be on the lookout for those gray hang tags, wraparound tags, and the cardboard backing. And I do want to mention that with both categories, They range in size from little bitty tiny infant socks all the way up to adult socks. So there's a big variety out there. You just don't know what you're going to find until you get out there and look. So again, look high, look low, look everywhere you go. A lot of Dollar Generals will have the big cardboard stand-up display boxes, and they'll just throw a bunch of socks in there, not even paying attention to if they are a seasonal category or if they're diamond, star, dot, who knows. So those would be a great place to look for these gray diamond and green star socks. Alright guys, so that is going to bring us to the end of our new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. Please don't forget that these prices will not change until Tuesday, September the 19th. And it is possible that we will have surprise pennies. So make sure that you'll have those notifications turned on and set them to all. And also make sure that you stay tuned because we have a clearance event coming up. So I will have that video out here shortly for you all. Plus I have another video. You guys know that I've been taking a little bit of a break. I took a few days off from posting videos, but your girl's still been working hard. So we have a lot to talk about. I've got good news, bad news, and everything in between. I have a lot of visual videos coming at you all. So again, make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on those notifications, and make sure that they are set to all. That way you don't miss out on any crazy deals. Now, also, before you go, I know that you guys aren't going to forget because you are absolutely amazing at not forgetting to do all the things. But just in case anybody's new here, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And then take a second to share the video. Even if you just share it to yourself in a text message or an email, all those things really do help me out tremendously. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. And I will see you on the next one.